Hi guys, in this video how to add new row here and new column here. So when we can write some text and here we can see that like this. So we can select this cell and go to home. So this is the first method. Go to home and here we can see that cell of here we can go to insert, click here, we can click on row. So the new row are added, and for column here we can click on this. So this is for new column. And the second method is we can add the row and column. So click or press alt H I C for column, and for row we can add the alt HIR for row. So this is adding new row and new column. Thank you for watching this video.